Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the cutout. This is what we call the cutout. When the power from the Kenya Power comes in, it is the one that cuts power between the Kenya Power, the power connected in the poles, and the power connected to your meter, then to your house. So as you can see here, we have a problem. The red wire is burnt here. Main reason for the wire to burn is loose connection. When you have loose connection, it overheats. Once it overheats, then you can see, as you can see, it has melted. It has melted here. You see? Yes. And again, I've found that you see these wires, they were laid on this wire. So once they are laid there, once it has a loose connection, it overheats. Once overheated, it will also hit this wire, the sheath, and that now brings the problem. So make sure once you've connected, the wire should be independent. They should be independent, not connected to each other. Okay, so now we're going to rectify this. We're going to rectify this problem. I'm going to do it better. Then you can see what will happen. So the first process is you remove the cutout, you unscrew the nuts. For this case, I don't know why, but they had only tighten it with one screw. So I'm also going to change the way it's wired. Yes, so you will see in a moment. You can see it's even corroded inside. Yeah, and I think that was bringing the cause of loose connection, because now once it's corroded inside, it will not connect properly. And so I will not use that point. I will use the other one. I will even grease it to avoid corrosion. Okay, when you grease it, it's a sure bet that that terminal will not corrode. You can grease it with any kind of oil. Yeah. So for my case here, I'm going to grease the wire with the famous Aramis. It has very many uses. Remember, this wire is live since it's from Kenya Power, and I don't have the chance to switch off the power. So I'll grease it that way. And having done this, you're sure that there will be no corrosion. Sometimes the problem is you find that the terminal of the cutout is made of copper, and the cable, the drop cable, of course they're made from aluminium. Most of them, they're made from aluminium. So when those two different metals meet, they corrode, because now you see this one is aluminium, this one is copper, so definitely they will corrode. But to avoid that, to avoid more damage, greasing helps, and high chances it will not corrode again, and also it will conduct properly. Yes, so once I'm done that, I do my connection. I'm done now with the cutouts, but as you can see, the wires are crisscrossing here. I want to avoid that, so I want to rearrange the meter box to have a different look. Yes, so let me do it, then you will see. Now, as you can see, there's no wire that is crisscrossing with each other. With everywhere there is space. there is space between the wires, so you're sure there will be no magnetic fields between the wires, which causes the burning of the wires. So this one is guaranteed that you're sure there will be no problem. You're sure there will be no problem with the wires, there will be no burning out. We've also sorted the cutout issue with the burning of the red wire, and it's a done job. Thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, there is no power, so once power is back, all will be well. Kenya Power had a scheduled maintenance